My name is Jorge Gutman. 3 months later, the mobility is just unbelievably improved. I have 90% of the pain is gone. It's almost all gone. I can touch it with no discomfort whatsoever.
Actually, your pain is disappearing every day, because I know I always ask him, how do you feel? I'm okay, okay. How is your pain? Is it bigger? Is it, you feel better? It's like, I think I feel better than a week ago, because
I really do. I feel better.
That's awesome.
Always,
I'm able to walk long distances and do a lot of exercise. We go walking on the beach all the time. I had a lot of difficulty prior just bending my knees and walking. It's just been getting better. Every week is a little better, and I went from not being able to walk well after the procedure to be able to walk slow, walk a little better, and little by little it's just been improving. Every week's getting a little better. I was laying in bed, sleeping with pain, and it was 24 hours a day. And I had a surgery scheduled for bilateral partial knee replacement scheduled before I came here, which I decided to cancel to try this first. It's only been the last 3 weeks that I've been able to actually cross my legs without pain. Prior to that, I haven't been able to do that since I'd say 2 years before the procedure even.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I'm able to cross my legs without only a little tiny bit of discomfort. Very, very, very minimal. I couldn't do that before. I do. I remember not being able to bend my knees, not being able to do anything. Going to the gym was painful. I couldn't ride a bike anymore. The Synvisc wasn't working anymore. That's it. It was done.
The first time you walked in here, do you remember hobbling?
I do. After 15 years or 18 years of working, it stopped. And this fixed it. I'm telling you, it's getting better. I'm anxiously awaiting to see what the next 4 or 5 months brings.
Good.